A big part of celebrating Christmas and the holidays are family traditions. Whether your traditions include baking cookies, matching PJs, or DIYing ornaments, we know just who to turn to for help. Amy Latta is back with us to help us step up our family traditions this year. And the first thing we're going to start with includes baking. It's actually the plates that we can put out.
Exactly. You know, baking is not necessarily my best skill, crafting is, but every year we have a really special tradition that our family does. We do a cookie exchange, but we don't keep the cookies. So we get friends and family together and we bake dozens of cookies and we arrange them on plates, and then we take them out into our community and we give them to folks like the fire department, the police officers, the Salvation Army bell ringers, people that are working through the drive-through that don't feel super appreciated. So we just take them that little gift, and I thought it would be a fun extra step to personalize the plate so that they can use it for the holidays and throughout the year. So to do that, you know, Amanda, that I love my Cricut machine.
Yes.
So I have it here today with me, and all you do is you just choose, you can create or import a design or use one of the many that are there in the Design Space app. That's what I used. So I did one that says Baked with Love and one that has a really pretty holly pattern on it that used a few colors of vinyl. So you just have the Cricut cut your vinyl, and then like we've done before here on the show, you just peel and stick. And then this is even dishwasher safe. It's food safe, so you can actually use it and wash it. But if you don't have a Cricut, you can still do this. You can use vinyl. You can just buy a roll of the vinyl. You can cut out shapes by hand. Anybody can cut out little snowflakes or hearts. Or you can give the kids permanent markers and let them decorate this. So, you know, Colson could draw you a picture and then you could cut out around it, stick it on the plate, and it makes a great gift.
Oh, I love that. That's a great idea. Something else that a lot of families do, and I know ours are in the mail right now, is the matching holiday pajamas. Yours, though, are DIY.
They are, and mine are actually not matching. They're coordinating because my family will never play along. They never like the same thing. I've got two teenage boys, and if one likes it, the other hates it. And we all like to sleep in different things. A lot of those matching family PJs are the onesie style, and I get so hot, I can't do it. And my boys like to sleep in shorts. So what we decided to do was DIY our own by creating special shirts that coordinate. So you can see here we've got I Can't, Santa is Watching. We all agree that that's funny. And we also did a set where Noah and I have shirts that say Cookie Baking Crew, and Dan and Nathan have Cookie Testing Crew. So that way you can customize it for your personality, your family, and you can put it on any kind of shirt you want. So like my t-shirt is a V-neck. Somebody could have long sleeves, short sleeves, your, you know, coordinating colors. And then you can just choose bottoms that you are comfortable sleeping in. So whether it's flannel pants, shorts, everybody coordinates, but we don't have to be completely matching. Once again, I used the Cricut to make this happen. I cut the design out of iron-on vinyl, and then I used the Easy Press heat press, or you could use just your home iron to heat set that onto the shirt.
All right, well, the Cricut is great, but we can't let you go without talking about hand lettering. And so you did that on these ornaments.
I did. So these ornaments are little paper globes that I got at World Market. And what I like to do every year, our family has a tradition of getting and giving new ornaments that have to do with things that past year. And so one of those things tends to be trips that we've taken. And I thought this was a perfect way to commemorate some of the places we've been. So the ornament that I'm working on here today, we went to Myrtle Beach this summer. I just got back from Salt Lake City, Pinners Conference. I went out to Los Angeles this spring, and I got to go out to Hamilton, Missouri recently to film with the quilt company and do some hand lettering videos. So I just lettered on here, and all it is a paint marker, and you write anything that you want using your handwriting or your hand lettering. You can draw, like I'm adding a sun to Los Angeles right now, and you can add the date, you can add any special places.
And really personalize it.
Absolutely. The ones over here, some of them on the tree are a little more general, things like adventure awaits or home is wherever I am with you. But then there's a really special one there that says Chengdu 2017. As you know, we adopted our son Nathan from China, and that's his home city. So I put that on there with a little heart where the city would be and the year, because trips of a lifetime like that and those special events, you really want to commemorate those.
Yes.
Yeah.
Amy, thank you so much. All of your ideas and more about these projects is on your website, so let's plug that quickly.
Sure. Please always come visit me at amylattacreations.com. I have tons of holiday project ideas and full tutorials for each of the projects that you see here, so you can follow along and craft with me at home.
Amy, thank you. We'll be right back.